What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. So today we're going to be installing the RA kit, angle kit on this car from Eric. This is the e36 that he drifts. Right now the other side is already completely installed. What I noticed, there was an issue that I think he might order the wrong kit for this one. I think he ordered it for either 46 because the calipers don't fit. So we have to modify a couple of things. So the calipers is still fine. We did it on the other side. This side is already done. All we gotta do is grind a little bit on the metal thing of the bracket, but that's fine. And then out of that, everything is simple. I'm gonna be showing you guys how we install this side so you guys can see it and do it yourself. So here we got the angle kit, which install the bolt that goes on the control arm to the subframe, and then we got to install this little piece right here with the two bolts. So let's do this right now. Now make sure you install this washer going up, not facing down. So now that we have the control arm installed and the two bolts snugged in, so we're good to install the rest of the stuff. So now we're gonna install the knuckle and then we gotta take this one off and make sure that it's the right length, same on the other side. All right, so keep watching. Alright guys, so now that I installed the tie rod, this bolt right here is for the knuckle. You gotta make sure that this bolt right here is completely sit properly on the knuckle. So you gotta make sure that it's like this. All the way in there first, lock it first, and then you can tighten it on the bottom. Alright guys, so now that we have this lock on this side, this one we can take it off and put it back into the control arm, right? And then this one, the same thing as the other one, it has to be facing up with the washer part on the bottom. So it sits like this. Me personally, I would like to make a hole and put a pin on it. So, because these nuts, they have the plastic inside. It's a safety feature, but I would like to make a hole and put a pin on it. But that's a thing for another day, not today. Right now, we need to get this thing done because we need to order an axle for this vehicle because we're drifting this weekend at Clean Culture at Poconos, so we need to get this thing out. So, I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it if we don't find that an axle. Right now, let's focus on this. put it down, because if you put it down, it might hit backwards, it might hit on the tie rod, so it has to go, it goes up. And don't forget to put this washer between the knot hole and the angle kit. So now that we have the knock hole installed with the suspension, we're gonna put the bracket for the caliper, then the rotor, and then see how much camber we have, if we gotta adjust it in and out, and then do some quick alignment. Piston for the caliper. We're gonna install the caliper now. With the bracket is already grounded, so now it's free spinning. So we're gonna install the caliper right now, and then make sure that the alignment is similar, so we can put the tires and see how it looks. So now we got it installed. Calipers installed. We're gonna put the tires. See, now it's spinning freely. Yeah, let's install the wheels so we can adjust the camber, because I know we have a lot of camber on this car right now because of the extension of the control arms. The angle kit is really long, so that's what's gonna help us prevent from the wheel touching inside the angle kit. So let's get this done. Tú estás hacia la frente, ¿verdad? Well guys, so now the two kits are installed. Right now Pucho is dealing with the muffler. I just welded a little bit because it was cracked. I'm going to show you guys how this looks. So you can see how you have a little bit more angle. And it's the camber, I gotta fix the camber because I haven't been up. But right now, this is what you see. Right now we have it with the string. To kind of have like an idea of some alignment. But then we're gonna bring it to the machine so they can do a better alignment. So depending on the kit that you get, you have to order a new set of sway bar links because it's different from the stock. With the stock that he had before, they're different. It doesn't reach, as you can see. Yeah, right here. And then just double check that everything is tight. Right now we're gonna start tightening all this stuff because now we know the angle that we have. They're straight, make sure that all the nuts are tight properly. And if you want to mark him with the marker, I have a marker. I'm not gonna mark him yet until the cars are fully aligned. You can see that yellow over there. But yeah, pretty much this is the kit. That's what you're gonna get, and this is the results. You're gonna see it in the truck. Eric's car has his angle kit installed already, so I'm happy that Eric is going to be killing now on the track with the angle kit, making more better slides, so you know. But yeah, it's a very solid kit. I really like it. It took us around 3 to 4 hours to install because it was our first time, but I don't think it's going to take you more than 2 hours if you know what you're doing. Very easy angle kit to install. Don't forget to like them or follow them on Instagram, RA Kits. And also like, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching.